Hello, hello everyone. Hello, hello, hello. We are now live, no? We have 26 participants so far, 27. Thank you all for joining. Thank you, thank you. All right. Let's all wait for the others. Thank you. If you are okay, so wow, so Brian watching from New Zealand. Gian's Avenue watching from New Zealand. Wow. Ano po ang inyong dinner dyan? Good evening there. Brian Marin, hello, not yet finished watching the videos, pa-observe lang po. Of course, anytime. Thank you for joining. Chriselle Lobo, hello everyone. Thank you for joining. Habang pauwi galing work, wow, Richelle, ang sipag Ingat sa phone ingat sa phone, okay? Alright. Kung gusto mo ko marinig ng mga katabi habang nagko-commute or nagda-drive, put me on speaker. Alright, J Lyrics, thank you. Hello, Harold, thank you for joining. Temi, good afternoon din while working. Wow. Shout out mga Mandaluyong. Wow. I have a house there in Mandaluyong. Harold, thank you. Watching from Dubai, Joey. Wow. Wow, watching from Dubai, no? All right. I think tanghalian pa lang dyan sa Dubai ngayon. Wow. Is it possible for Shiba token to reach 0.001 based on the market cap? Tingnan natin. We will see. Ang technical analysis natin based on my video is dapat ma-break muna niya yung 0.0005, no? But knowing actually yung Dogecoin nga, 'di ba? It was a meme coin lang, no? And no one was even predicting it will be really high, no? As long as there's buyers, no, there's people willing to buy and they're willing to take the risks, then why not, 'di ba? So, okay. All right, watching from KSA, Otto-san. Wow. Okay, shout out from Pasig. Uy, masarap if you have not tried sa Pasig, maraming I've eaten diyan sa Vivian Tapsi near Pasig Santolan. It's really really good restaurant. So, ready na headset ko while mag-map. Ha ha ha. Learning trading is life kahit nagtatrabaho si Inday. Very good. I admire you. I admire you. Okay, 1 p.m. here in Dubai. Yes, yes. Okay. Let's just wait for the rest. No, 4 more minutes. I think we're all advanced. No, if guys. By the way, you're going to see a ticker sa ating video. If you're not doing anything, just take a read on that. No, may mga reminders tayo dyan. And then, congratulations. No, we already have 6,500 subscribers in our YouTube channel. 2,200 in a span of 4 days in Facebook groups. And then sa Discord, we already have 2,200 members. So if you still have some friends na hindi pa members and would want to be part, no? Actually kahapon, and you guys know I'm also a moderator kila Boss J sa ibang Facebook groups, no? That's where I started, no? I'm a moderator and marami pa rin ako nakikita na ayaw ko nang i-share, no? Pero ang dami ko ayaw ko nang i-share yung name and ang dami ko nakikitang mga posts about, sabi dun sa post kahapon, bahala na basta basic lang daw ang alam niya for futures, wala na raw charting, hindi na raw, wala raw siyang pakialam doon. Tapos may mga nagko-comment sa kanya na, okay, can you send me your tips? Ganyan, ganyan yan. Sabi ko, oh my God. Nako, hindi po ganun. Nako. Alright. Max Casilaw, I agree. Guten Morgen, by the way. Wow. May video po kayo for day trading. Meron po tayo mga videos on strategies. Yes po. Guten Tag in Filipinas. So yeah, so Max Casilaw, saan po kayo sa Germany, sir? Wow. Munich. Oh, my cousin is in Munich. No, both of them. Both of my cousins are in Munich. My auntie is in Munich since the 80s. Nice. Guten Morgen in Germany there. Alright. Pinagtatawanan na ako, coach, ng mga kasama ko kasi kahit anong ginagawa ko, nakatutok ako sa mga video mo. Wow. Thank you po. Sabi ko na lang, nag-aaral po ako. Pinagtatawanan lang nila. Education is power po, no? Education is power, right? So, information and knowledge is power. So, Newbie here, hope more knowledge to earn. Hey, Efren, if you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe, no? If you're new, and then join our Discord community in our Facebook groups, no? If you're new to our channel. Okay, all right. Let's wait for the rest, no? We have 2 more minutes, and then sige, I think we could start. Guys, we're gonna be tackling daily crypto news, and you could use this as your sort of a daily crypto channel, no? Para makita ninyo, marinig nyo ano yung mga important news, and I'll do Tagalog or Taglish para maunawaan nyo. And then we'll do a little bit of charting, and then we'll do a little bit of Q&A. That's why it's just 45 minutes every day. No, I will do this para sa mga hindi ko nasasagot na tanong. Let me know if may mga questions kayo, because every time I wake up, no, ang dami kong mga questions, and I'm sorry if I'm not able to answer all of them, guys. I apologize in advance. Okay? Hey, Fanny. Thanks for joining. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Invite your friends to join if they're new to this group. Invite your friends to join and listen and watch our live, no, and para they could learn something and hindi sila naiipit sa mga wrong positions, diba? Okay. Okay, thank you, Efren. Welcome, welcome. Thank you. All right, guys, it's 5 o'clock. Let's officially start. No, okay. Welcome to our Coach Miranda Miner daily cryptocurrency news and updates and daily charting updates. So, what's new and what's hot today from a crypto perspective? Today, let's quickly review our cryptocurrency world. No, so from a top cryptocurrency place, let's go on with cryptocurrencies and let's click on the top still is obviously Bitcoin with 1 trillion market capitalization. Growth for almost 2.82% over the past 24 hours. Sobrang laki pa rin at tatag ni Ethereum, all-time high at 4,300 at 9.96%. Congratulations if you're an Ethereum holder, kahit bumababa yan ng 3,400 kahapon or nung isang araw, you're still able to hold that Ethereum number 2, no? Later, I will discuss ano yung mga other very important information about Bitcoin that you need to know. Sabi nga nila, is it an altcoin world or is it a Bitcoin world still, no? And of course, Binance Coin, still number 3, inching very higher at 2.89, already 667. Dogecoin at 0.50, naglalaro lang yan from 0.45 to 0.56. Pag na-reach na ng 0.56, it could further go high to 0.6. We'll further discuss that. And then, of course, ang laki ng circulating supply ng Doge because it's a penny coin. No? The price is less than $8, right? So, USD Tether still a stable coin. Cardano, 7.28% over 24 hours. Really good. 1.77 already in XRP. Bumaba to sa 1.28, now up to 1.48. So, really good, no? If you were able, kung napasok na salo nyo yung ilalim ng 1.29, nakabili ako dyan. Good job, no? And tumaas na naman yung pera nyo. Right? And then, Polkadot, no? Dot is increasing, really good. Litecoin. Look at that, 7.27%. Ang laki ng increase niya, no? And then, over the past 24 hours, pinakamalaki na nag-increase is Polygon Matic. Guys, gumawa ako ng video on top altcoins to invest on May. Kasama doon si Polygon Matic, ha. So take a look at that. This is really a good investment and good technology to learn, no, the layer 2 and the scaling technology. Okay, yan. So ang laki, no, 448% for EOS, Revain 31.18%, Polygon Matic 29, almost 1/3 of a percent, no. So really, really good. And then from a new cryptocurrency update, Woofy, obviously 24 hours pa lang siya. Within 1 hour, 4.27%. Platon, SolarFair, My Crypto Heroes, MetaMoon. And guys, if you look at my screen, you will see kung saan siyang blockchain nakalink ha. So for example, SolarFair, pag naka-Binance coin siya, and then si Woofy, Ethereum, pag mga ganito, kapag naka-blockchain siya, you need to make sure that when you go and trade these types of coins or tokens, click nyo siya. Pagka-click ninyo, lalabas dyan yung information niya about the coin, di ba? But when you scroll down at the bottom, you will actually see saan siya pwedeng i-trade sa Uniswap, 1-inch exchange, Uniswap. And you will see what types of market is it currently being traded if you wanted to follow the coin on, if you wanted to trade or swap the token, right? So, good information so far from a top currency, new currency standpoint. Puntahan natin mamaya yan, okay? And then, we filtered kanina, we already run our filters. Na cryptocurrency filter tayo, RSI 30. We will send this over sa ating Facebook group and Discord, no? So, the RSI 90, sorry, RSI 70 overbought situation, naka RSI 30 yan, and on 70 RSI 30 reading, and it's currently running at above 70. So we have Matic, USDT perpetual, ETC USDT perpetual on futures, ETC USDT 70.41. This is on a daily reading. Okay, nagre-refresh po ito every 8 in the morning Manila time. So this is a new reading. I'm gonna be sending it over to everyone. We have Ethereum Wave, Ethereum, ETH, USDT, 76% already on a daily reading. So really, really good. Check nyo lang yung weekly niyan. Meron tinuro kahapon how to read parabolic plays. So just take a look at the weekly chart as well. Okay, and then when we look at the other filters, tanggalin natin si overbought. Punta tayo ng technical. Let's look at the MACD, no? Let's look at the bullish crossover. Click run. Ang dami pong bullish crossovers ngayon. BNB, Rune, COTI, MFT, AAV. AAV, guys, is also one of the tokens that I discussed in my altcoin video to invest this May 2021. So watch out for that. I'll be creating another video on altcoins to invest on the next half, no? The next half of May 2021. But look at that, no? I spoke about this and it has already significantly grown. So um, it's already within a MACD bullish crossover. So take a look at that, guys. Take a look at my video for you to learn what is AAV, what is Matic. Diniscuss natin yan sa ating one of the videos, okay? Another news for today, Qcoin listed now Cadena or KDA. So if you're a Qcoin trader, they're extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming in their trading platform. So if you're a Qcoin holder, you're not a Binance holder, they have a new coin that has listed. This is just a couple of hours ago. Actually more than a couple of hours ago, right? So yeah, so just take a look at it, and there's also a white paper. Guys, people are asking me, ano po ba yung white paper? Ano yung purpose niyan? What do you guys, what can I get from that? No? So basically, if I ask you to look at the white paper, of course may mga purposes yan. No? Either if you are a developer, you would be able to know ano yung protocol commands nila, ano yung mga what if situations. You could also look at the tokenomics, no? Tokenomics meaning paano ba sila nagsusurvive, no? When you purchase the token or the coin, magkano yung fees na charge nila? So for example, si Bake token, meron siyang 0.3% na charge na fee. Yung kahapong nagpadala sa akin sa Discord, I think that was NFF, ang charge nila 10% but they're in a pre-sale. And then that 10% will be broken down into two parts. One is the 5% given to other shareholders and the other 5% goes to the liquidity pool. Ang problema kasi dyan, if you don't know guys, normally when you say liquidity pool, it's actually a pool of money by itself, no? And they actually use that for many purposes, no? Pwedeng it could be something that pwedeng i-borrow, i-lend, where obviously the pool could earn, etc., etc. Pero ang problem kasi diyan, may tinatawag tayong mga flash scenarios, no? Na pwedeng ma-destroy din yung liquidity pool. And pag hindi nyo kilala yung developer, hindi pa siya kilala, and it's the first token na ginawa nila, you gotta take it with a grain of salt. Ibig sabihin, kailangan nyo siyang talagang aralin kung ano yung pupuntahan ng 5%. Marami dyan nasunog sa Pancake Swap when they were buying Safe Moon. Di ba na FOMO sila sa sobrang daming digits. They didn't know na because ang daming digits nun kasi sobrang mura ng Safe Moon, di ba? And they didn't know na buti nga naglagay na si Safe Moon ng caveat when you sign up, meron na siyang check mark na 10% ang ma-award sa mga shareholders if you maintain, but if you withdraw, so I think I'm mistaken. I think 10% yung charges, right? But if you maintain, you earn 5% of the rewards ng mga natatalo, 'di ba? So ano mga nagbayad ng 10%, 'di ba? So parang umiikot lang, parang in my perspective parang more of a Ponzi scheme or a MLM scheme, 'di ba? So that's the purpose of white paper, no? And then also look into the tokenomics, paano yung bayaran, paano yung fees, no? It's important you know that, no? Kasi if you put your token or your money there, you need to know how can you get it back. Hindi lang siya pwedeng token, swaps, etc. You need to know how are you being charged, diba? Okay? So that's the purpose of the white paper. Another news, no? Si Kuya Elon, Kuya Elon already asked Twitter followers if Tesla should accept Dogecoin. No? Guys, you gotta remember, around February of this year, they already allowed BTC to be used in Tesla, no, to purchase, no. So that's already one, and right now he's already doing, he's already touting the public kung if they were willing to accept Dogecoin as a Tesla, from a Tesla, on buying Tesla, no, if they could accept Dogecoin, and that's really a good sign, no? For me kasi guys, Tesla is one of the biggest manufacturer of green cars and solar cars, no? And if people see Tesla cars as the future, right? Although wala pa siya halos penetration sa Asia, then if they're using now this coin to purchase, then magandang sign yun for acceptance. I think you just gotta wait for more and more merchants to accept it, and I think it's a good sign, no? But let's see, no? But I think, nagiging smart na ang ating mga um, smart na ang ating mga traders ngayon, not because he is tweeting tumataas yung Dogecoin, 'di ba? Do you guys agree? No, not because he is tweeting tumataas na yung price. People are right now already observing. Siguro marami na nasunog, 'di ba? Marami na nasunog diyan. So, when we were looking at that, uh, when we were looking at the liquidations for the past couple of months, and past couple of days, sinabi ko to sa inyo when I was chatting and I was sending these types of information. If you look at Ethereum, yung mga when we look at Dogecoin, balik tayo sa Dogecoin. When you look at Dogecoin today, okay, okay, let's look at the liquidations. Okay, look at these liquidations, guys, right? Look at this chart, no? Look at this. Nakita niyo itong mahabang red candle na to. This is really scary. And I'm actually on a 1-hour chart, no? This is really scary. Yung red candle na yan, nung bumulusok yan pababa, tingnan nyo kung gaano karaming na-liquidate sa ilalim. Look at how much is that, right? Look at this. So I'll expand this now. Look at this, no? People, almost 36.95 million got liquidated, no? Pwedeng isa kayo dyan, di ba? Kung nag-futures kayo, right? And if you've noticed, sobrang daming naliliquidate talaga sa Dogecoin if you're playing futures. Di ba? Except for this one, ang laki, nanalo yung mga shorters, no? Ayan, no? Ang laki, But yung mga nagbabuy long, they were liquidated. Ang laki, almost 36.2 million. Di ba? So, people are observing right now, People are observing, wag na lang siya mag-tweet, no? And I think the public is learning about hindi na sila mafo-FOMO. Right? Do you guys agree? Click agree on the comment box if you agree with that, no? And again, be careful, no? A lot of liquidations are happening right now, and please make sure na alam nyo meron kayong stop losses, no? Stop loss is your best friend. Sabi ko sa inyo, maraming beses na. And if you don't do your stop loss, naku, kawawa ka pag hindi ka nag-stop loss. Lalo na kung nag-futures ka, no? Okay? All right, another news. Let's go to other news. Of course, Elon, right? And then let's talk about this particular Bitcoin flow chart, stock and flow model. We will talk about this right now. Para alam niyo, no? Kasi people are saying, ay nako, ano ba nangyayari kay Bitcoin? Bakit na siya 57, 'di ba? Sabi, tapos if we go to the Bitcoin one day, people are worrying, bakit pababa yung Bitcoin, from almost 63 down to 49. People are really worried about that. Diba? I mean, they're really worried. Pero if you look at it, if you zoom out the chart, pataas din siya ng pataas. Right? It's actually going higher and higher and higher. Diba? But if you look at it on a myopic view or a nearsighted view, ano nangyayari? It's actually going down sa paningin ng maraming tao. No? Okay? But let's look at this particular model. No? We look at the Bitcoin stock and flow model. Guys, you need to know this if you are a Bitcoin holder and if you're really worried about, ano ba yung future ng Bitcoin? Do I need to know what you call halving, right? Etc. 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 No? So, what is Bitcoin halving, so to speak? 'Di ba? So para malaman nyo lang at hahapyawan lang natin 'to ng mabilis. There is what you call, if you are a minero, nagmi-mining ka. Alam mo 'to, malamang alam mo 'to. We will open this right now. Okay? Okay. All right, let's just quickly open this right now. And yan, okay? All right. Let's quickly open. Let's try to maximize my screen. Okay? All right. So yan. So guys, you've noticed that um you've noticed that there is a chart on my screen today. Okay, and then it actually has multiple colors, no, multiple colors, multiple um, multiple green colors, multiple red colors, blue colors. What does that mean? Okay, guys, noong 2010 nung nag-start kasi ang Bitcoin noong 2010 na 2008 etc. Ang price ng Bitcoin that time is how much? 'Di ba? Wala pa halos, sobrang liit, no? Sobrang liit. It's actually almost, you look at this, noong 2013, ang price ng Bitcoin is only $100. Noong 2014, pumalo ng $1,000. Diba? And so on and so forth, diba? Tapos noong 2020, nasa ano na siya? Nasa $10,000 plus. Diba? This is around 2020 article, ha? Okay, and right now, it's already how much? It's $56,000, right? So, ang nangyayari kasi, ang Bitcoin halving, for you guys to understand, no? Explain ko na ng mabilis sa Tagalogin natin. Ang Bitcoin halving kasi is the process wherein, um, how many Bitcoin tokens are found in the newly created block. No? Back in 2009, when Bitcoin was launched, each block contains 50 Bitcoin. But this amount was set to be reduced 50% every 4 years. So every 4 years, nag-have or having si Bitcoin. Bakit? Kasi kailangan nilang magkaroon ng continuous supply ng Bitcoin. Guys, you gotta remember, limited ang supply ng Bitcoin, ha? 21 million yan. Okay? 21 million Bitcoin. So, kailangan magkaroon sila ng process every 4 years. So, meron ng tatlong halving events na nangyari. So, from 50, right, naging down to 25, 25 naging down to 12, 12 naging down to 12, 12 naging down to 6.25. When the next halving occurs, the block will only contain 3.125, no? Nangyari yung unang-unang halving noong November 2012 after a total of 5,250,000 BTC had been mined, no? Tapos the next one is 2016, okay, 2012, 2016, the next one is 2020. Manonotice ninyo, every 4 years, nagiging blue yung dots, right? Yung 2012, naging blue, naging blue, naging blue. Okay, naging blue. So, ang indicator niyan, makikita ninyo, months until the next halving, kapag blue na siya, it's going to indicate halving and meron siyang impact sa supply ng BTC, no? Kailangan nilang gawin ito because by forecast, there's gonna be no more Bitcoin left. Around year 2140, the last 21 million Bitcoin ever to be mined will be seen. At this point, the halving schedule will cease. Doon na siya mahihinto, no? Miners, however, mababayaran pa rin sila yung mga nagmimina tulad ko, will be incentivized by continuously validating and confirming new transactions through proof of work or proof of work, right? So, makikita ninyo sa chart na to na kapag nearing halving na siya, nakita niyo yung price ng Bitcoin, tumataas siya. Okay, ito ha, nag-start siya sa yellow. Okay, nagiging green. Before siya mag-nearing ng halving, which happened in 2012, tataas muna yung price ng coin. Okay? Tapos magiging blue. Tapos red ulit. Tataas ulit yung price ng coin, magiging blue, red ulit. Tataas ulit yung price ng coin, magiging blue, red ulit, no? So kapag ang Bitcoin, okay, kapag ang Bitcoin kakatapos lang niya ng halving, normally the price of the Bitcoin will go down. Okay? The price of Bitcoin will go down by trend. At pag malapit na ulit siya sa 4-year trend niya, okay? 4-year trend niya, okay? That's gonna be the time where it would increase its price again, no? Of course, siguro ang naiisip ko diyan, sobrang dami ng mga investors ang nakaalam na ng strategy na 'to, kaya they're just hoarding BTC. Kasi alam nila tataas pa eh. And by forecast, by the next couple of years before magkaroon ng panibagong halving, the forecast is, since tumataas siya ng tumataas every time na nagka-halve, the price of Bitcoin could be as big as $100,000 each. Okay? So tatandaan niyo yun, ah. So that's really a good information to know, no? So every 4 years yan. So the last one was, the first one was 2012, tas 2016, tapos 2020, yung huling-huli. Pagkatapos nun, tumaas na ng tumaas after the last halving, di ba? After, it was actually averaging around 23,000. And then pumalo ng 35, naging 45, naging 59, tapos tumuloy-tuloy na pataas, di ba? And that's because of this particular stock and flow model. Okay? So I hope you guys understand. Pag may mga tanong pa, hindi ko kayang explain lahat kasi in one session. Gawa ko siguro ko ng video on this, but that's really an important information to know. No? That from a year, from the next couple, for example, this one, we'll open the latest chart, no? Ayan, this is 2021 already, right? Ayan. Look at this, oh. Ayan, oh. It's becoming red again, right? BTC USDT, right? And then it will become, tataas na tataas sa yellow yan after the reds, right? It will increase again. You will notice. Red, naging yellow. It's becoming the trend of the Bitcoin every 4 years. Okay? All right, so guys, I hope you learned something for today. That was the crypto news that I have today for the past 20 minutes. We will now go with some of our charting, no? So yesterday, I created the video, pakita ko lang sa inyo ito ng mabilis. I created the video about Bake, no? And ginawan ko siya ng technical charting, guys. And ang nakita natin dito is merong two very strong resistance, two very strong support, no? I'm actually on a 1-hour time frame. And then I'm actually using a a price chart, price action strategy. I'm looking at this the strong resistance and strong support, no. So nakikita natin dito sa Bake na this is a very very strong support. Well, support strong because dito lang nag-bounce yung dalawang price, no. And if you further go down onto a 30-minute time frame, nakikita mo yan dito na, let's try to read that. Read siya, no. Habang nag-read siya, so it's a very strong, it's a strong support, and it's where it bounced. Kahapon, nandito pa lang yung candle, and I was forecasting magbabounce yan sa support na to, and true enough, nag-bounce nga talaga siya. And right now, look at it again, no? It's actually going down again, and it will try to retest this particular support. Ang turo ko doon sa video ko, there are a couple of entry points na pwede mong pasukan, na. Okay, tuturo ko na sa inyo ngayon based on this charting, no. I will not use Fibonacci for now. Okay? Baka malito lang kayo, okay? But I will use a simple channel indicator, okay? So kapag ang chart na to, okay, if this further goes down here, okay? Pag pumalo to ng 5.22 or pag pumalo to ng 5.13, lumabas ka na, okay? If it even went down to 5.04, mag-shorting ka, mag-short sell ka, it will further go down. Super bababa talaga yan. Okay? Now, if you wanted to enter, you need to know where to enter. Let's draw a trend line here. Okay? Okay? You could enter within this, anytime na mag-break siya sa resistance line na to. Okay? You see that line, guys? Type yes if you could follow, ha. All right? If it breaks on this resistance, tulad niyan, nag-bounce siya dito, oh, bumaba. If it goes back up, okay, ang technique diyan, if this one goes back up again, okay, and nabasag niya tong resistance channel line na to, then this is going to potentially go up higher, no? Okay? Tapos sabayan niyo yan, lagyan niyo ng indicator na MACD. This is also for day trading, ha. If you're day trading, no? Okay, if you go with, if you put a MACD here, yan, tulad yan, yung MACD line, nakita niyo guys, yung MACD line natin, it actually also went down already, no? Yan, no? It went down, bearish crossover, true enough, bumagsak din siya dito. So ang gusto kong gawin niyo pag nag-crossover siya dyan pataas, dapat yung indicator na MACD nakaturo din pataas. Okay? That's gonna be a good entry for you, no? That's one play that you could use in this particular scenario for bake. And of course, for more charting perspective, so akit ka sa 1 hour, okay, lagyan mo lang siya dyan. Tanggalin ko muna si MACD. Okay. Tapos, lagyan natin ng resistance lines, no? So, ang all-time high niya before was 8.49. Resistance all-time high yan. Once naging 8, once yung price ng token na to maging 8 pesos, okay, antayin nyo muna mabasag tong 8.49, saka kayo pumasok sa 8.5, mag-all-time high play yan. Okay? Abang kayo ng futures buy long dyan sa 8.5. Sa mga natuto ng strategy na to, congratulations. This is really a profitable strategy for me. Yung mga abang habang tulog, abangan nyo lang yung mga all-time high na very strong resistance. Lagyan nyo ng order sa taas, abang kayo ng buy long. Lagyan nyo ng take profit. Okay? So, lagyan nyo ng take profit. So, gagawin ko dyan, for example, ganito. 8.49, diba? Okay? So, let's go to my Binance. Let's go to my derivatives futures. By the way, I'm so proud. Kumikita na yung earn wallet natin. Ilagay tayo ng earn wallet coins and it's already earning few coins. But that's fine, no? I mean, at least meron tayong kinikitang small passive income, no? Habang we don't even need that price naman. So, okay, let's put bake para makita nyo. Bake. Ay, sorry. I don't think it's here yet. Let's try to look for XRP muna para makita ninyo. Okay. Pala sa futures yan. Okay. So, same strategy gagawin natin. Okay, same strategy. Kunyari, ang all-time high let's look at this one. Ang all-time high ni XRP, dito. Okay. Ang all-time high ni XRP, let's say, is 1.76. Actually, no. Hang on. Let me go with... no, actually, let's put at 1.73, the most immediate resistance, no? 1.76. So, okay, 1.76, no? So, I will go to my order in Binance. And then, since ayun yung aking, if you guys would notice, I actually have 2 open orders. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung ano yung open orders na yan. Kayo na lang mag-isip kung ano yan. But, in this case, for example, sabi natin 1.76, I will do a stop limit. I will put a 1.76 based on the price natin 1.76456. So gagawin natin dito is 1.76445 and then let's do a pagpataas syempre mas mataas dapat yung price nyo 1.76 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, and then let's put stop limit order. Let's put this one. Let's put 230 XRP, for example. And of course, we need to put a take profit of 1.8, for example. And then let's make sure that we have isolated, nasa sa yan, isolated or 15x. If you wanted to do 20x, it's up to you. Then we'll put stop loss of 1.73. Then we'll click buy long. Okay? Tapos tulugan nyo na yan. Okay? Meron na kayong stop loss eh. Tapos normally kapag nasa 10 lang yan, okay? Pari na kayo mag-compute. Pag nasa 10 lang yung ang margins ninyo, normally if you put, kunyari 1.8, di ba, yung take profit mo, yung stop price mo is 1.76. So 0.4 yung difference from your take profit. Kailangan 0.4 din yung stop loss mo para equal siya no over and under the entry price. Tapos isolated 10x hindi mahagip yan, malayo yan. Mas malayo pa yung liquid price mo versus your stop loss. Normally it's around I'll give you a different computation next time, no? But I'm doing mental computation on this para mabilis yung charting natin. Okay? Yon, so let's open now for questions. I hope you learned something for today on Bake. I made a video on that, no? Let's quickly open our chart, our question, sorry. I'll be entertaining questions on charting. Just let me know. Let's open the screenshot. Okay. I love your style. Very informative. Thank you po, Sir Max. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Salamat po sa mga ating subscribers. We already have 6,500 subscribers so far. And, you know, I'm really happy guys sa inyong support, no. Haha, sakit niyan, maliquidate daw sa Dodge. Parang walang tanong talagang napaka-focus niyo sa mga teka lang, let me read it again, baka marami na nagtanong. Okay. Coach, na-late ako, ulitin ko na lang. Okay lang, thanks Patrick. Coach, pwede po bang pa-check ng TLM cup and handle po ba? Let's open TLM. What is that TLM? TLM USDT. Yeah, let's look at TLM. Not a cup and I think you're referring to this one ba? This one? Actually, meron na siyang fina-form na ano eh. Actually, okay. So pag ganito, I don't think it's a cup and handle because nabasag na yung handle niya, no? So if you're talking about this one siya sinasabi mo. This one. Actually, hindi eh. Dapat kasi normally pag ang cup and handle, dapat yung handle mo nandito. Dito lang. Dito lang. Yan. Tapos, pasok mo breakout ng area na to. I don't think this is a cup and handle. No? Actually, it's even forming a head and shoulders pattern. Medyo may pagka head and shoulders sa for me. No, sa part na to. Okay? So, ang very strong support dito sa line na to should be your should be this one. This area, this box. Okay, this area. Your strong support dyan, no? Diyan siya nagpa-bounce eh. Right? And if you've noticed, it's actually forming a let me open this one. You know. It's almost forming a this pattern for me. And normally if that happens, what I would normally do is kailangan hindi niya mabali yung neck support, no, siya pag ganyan. Yan. Ito yung neck ng ulo. So kailangan siya pag bumaba yan dito, if this candle, okay, if this candle further goes down, okay, and nabali niya yung ating resistance, support, this will further go down here. Okay? This will further go down. Malapit na siya. It's already touching the support line, the support box here. It's already forming a higher low. If you look at this candle to this candle, this is a higher low. Or this is already, of course, lower low of this candle. Diba? Okay? So yan. So that's gonna be my chart for you. Let's read further comments. Coach, H-bar po nagtatry o mga sa EMA 21 resistance. Tama po ba? Coach, Ox po bang gamitin si RSI 32 hours take profit, time frame, sorry, para sa bullish and bearish divergence? Ox, yes. Yes, pero preferably pwede 2 hours, 1 hour optional, pero 2 hours pwede na yan, 2 hours. Ginagamit kasi talaga si RSI 30 sa day trading sa day trading. Okay? Coach, okay po bang gamitin si RS? Okay. Paano po yung head and shoulders po? Okay, say hi to everyone. Oh, Daddy. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Oh, Daddy's going live here. That's my daughter, guys. Sorry. Okay. All right. So, let's go with another question. Parang si Mayor Vico boses mo. Wow. Ako yata si Mayor. Ako po si Coach Miranda Minor. Okay. Coach, ano pong magandang gamitin for scalping if phone ang gamit? Kapag scalping, wala ka kasing alma, no? Gamit ka lang ng EMA 5. Okay, EMA 5, EMA 5. Okay, tapos lagyan mo siya ng MACD. Okay, ang EMA 5 kasi, i-demo ko sa inyo, gawa tayo ng XRP dito. XRP, actually may template na ako niyan. Template, EMA 5, RSI, 14, 1-minute interval. Nagagamit ko din yung for scalping. Yan. Okay, yan. Gamit natin yan. Tapos, kailangan yung EMA mo close. Tapos, 5 lang. Okay, yan. Normally, si EMA kasi, fina-follow lang niya yung, lagyan ko ng MACD. Okay. Normally, fina-follow lang ni Emma si trend ng candle mo. Tapos dapat tabang candle mo high Kinashi. No? So, gagawin mo dyan, pag nagpo-phone ka lang, aabangan mo lang lagi. Ito ha, mabilis lang to guys ha. Okay, abangan mo lang lagi, pag nagpo-phone ka, okay, sa phone kasi ang pangalan ni MACD, yung MACD na blue line, this is DIF. Okay, tatandaan niyo yan ha, ang pangalan niya DIF. Yan. DIF. DIF. DIF is MACD. DEM is signal line. Okay? Yan. Okay. Kapag si diff, parang ganito ha, pag kayo nagsa-scalping lang kayo ha, and guys, pag scalping, ilang minutes lang yun ha, okay? Tatandaan niyo yan, and you will be profitable as long as you follow my directions, okay? At saka discipline yourself. Okay, number 1, ganito. Let's open a box here. Okay. Nakita nyo to guys, no? Pag nag-crossover pataas yung blue line sa red line, okay, naka 1 minute tayo guys, ha? 1 minute. Tandaan nyo, naka 1 minute ako. Okay, TLM ha. Okay, this is the candle lang 1 minute. Tanggalin ko muna si RSI dito. Okay. Alright, si candle lang 1 minute to. Di ba nag-crossover siya dito sa candle na to. Okay. 1 candle. Okay, lagyan natin ng candle yan. Lagyan ng panturo. Okay. This candle nag-crossover. Yan. Nag-crossover bilang ka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pag 5 candle or pangatlong candle, withdraw ka na, take profit, scalp na yon. 3 minutes lang yon. Okay. Gano'n nakalaki tinaas ng pera mo. Okay, magkaroon tayo ng price range dito. Dito ka pumasok, 'di ba? Nag-crossover. Pangatlong candle, sa dulo ng pangatlong candle, that's already 1.12%. Labas. 'Di ba? You already earn 1.12% habang nasa phone ka. Ilabas mo si MACD, ilabas mo si RSI, alternate lang naman 'yan eh. Kapag umahalik na si MACD pataas, standard diyan na 12.26 and 9 close 9. Pag umalik si MACD pataas, pasok ka, no? All right? Ang tatandaan mo lang dyan, and I will not teach this today, may tinatawag kasi tayong mga divergences sa MACD. It could reverse the pattern, no? Hindi siya pwedeng pure MACD ka lang. Okay? It could reverse the pattern. Hanap tayo ng ganun, ha? Hanap tayo ng reversal dito. Hang on. Ayan, okay. Let me just maximize this further. Okay, let me look at it further. Okay. And we don't find any divergence yet. Okay. Anyways, so divergences, we will try to find a session for that, no. But every time a divergence happens, when the price of the coin is going up, but the MACD is going down, that is a sign of reversal. And so far, it's actually following the price. So far, I don't see any divergences. Anyways, I hope nakatulong yun sa inyo ha. Use the MACD as a potential indicator sa phone ninyo. Okay? Alright, face reveal. Quote, cute. Wow. Kahit wala po si CCI sa 1 minute, time frame scalping, pag may gamit kayong computer, gamit kayo ng CCI, no? But I'm just trying to give you an option if you're trying sa trade sa phone. May mga tao kasi nagtitrade lang sa phone, hula analysis eh. Wala man lang ginagamit na indicator. So at least I'm giving you one indicator, no? Tapos, syempre, aralin nyo din yung particular na trend ng candle sa taas, no? Akit muna kayo ng 1 hour. Okay, hang on guys. Okay, akit muna kayo ng 1 hour. Tapos, okay. Akit lang kayo ng 1 hour. Ang gagawin nyo lagi before kayo mag-scalping, no? Ito yung mga kailangan na due diligence ninyo. Okay? Actually, optional to. you really don't do price action strategy on scalping. Pero ako kasi mas komportable ako, aalamin ko muna yung tuktok tsaka yung baba. No? Aalamin ko muna yung pinaka-tuktok, for example, tanggalin ko muna si EMA5. Okay. Aalamin ko muna, let's say ito. No? So for example, trend line, this one. Okay, I will try to learn, I will try to map this first. Okay, pagka-map ko, alright, alam ko kung saan ako magre-range trading, saan ako magsa-scalping, no? Kasi mas gusto ko malaman sa loob ng box. I want to make sure I'm gonna be inside the box to trade. So for example, this one. So I'll go with the parallel channel. Yan. Okay. Normally, magsa-scalp ka sa loob ng channel na to. Okay. Tapos, ang hindi mo kasi makikita sa scalping, yung mga ganitong breakouts. Right? You will not see that. No? So it's important you also look at the bigger time frame para ang preferably alam mo kung saan siya pwedeng pumalo. Kunyari, nag-scalping ka kasi gawin natin tong 'di ba naka 1 hour ka. Gawin natin tong 30 minutes. Yan, 30 minutes muna. Hanggang biglain si chart. Read pa siya. Okay, 30 minutes, 'di ba? Okay, baba tayo ng 15 minutes. Ganun pa din, di ba? Dumami lang yung candle. So kapag nag-charting ka na, nag-execute ka na, alam mo pa din na yung tatamaan mo is 0.52. That's a breakout area. So kahit mag-scalp ka dyan, gawin mo ng 3 minutes yan. Okay? Mag-scalp ka, di ba? Okay, scalp. Kahit nagsiscalping ka, alam mo na, sa area na to, at 0.52, ito yung breakout area. So kahit anong sabihin sa'yo nung scalping mo, pag nakita mo na tong 0.52 na line, tandaan mo na yan, when you scalp, hayaan mo lang siyang mag-breakout. Diba? Diba nagsascalping ka, ilang minutes lang, diba? Eh di hayaan mo na siya mag-breakout pataas. So at least you have an internal knowledge na kahit nagsascalping ka, alam mo na pag nag-breakout sa 0.52, tataas pa din yung price. Diba? Okay? Alright. Charlie Gambit, listening while driving. Wow, you drive safe, okay? Drive safe, okay? And also use maybe wireless Bluetooth, like what I always do. Hi, Coach. Aside from MACD, what indicator is the best when trading using phone for futures? MACD is one. Price action is okay. Yon, moving averages. Moving averages is also one indicator. Pero talagang kasi guys, when you're scalping, you're following the trend. You're following price action. You're following where the trend of the price is actually. So you're scalping. When you're scalping, when you're scalping on buying long sa futures, in-expect mo tumaas yung price, di ba? So gamit ka muna ng whenever you are in your phone, mag-zoom out ka lagi. Huwag kang masyadong nearsighted. Zoom out ka. When I say zoom out, ibig ko sabihin, lalabas ka sa mataas na chart. Pupunta ka sa 1 day muna. Titingnan mo muna kung ano yung pattern ng kung muna yung pattern ng candle, parang ganyan, tingnan mo. When I look at the 1 day, actually nag-form na siya ng yan, no? If you look at 1 day, nagkaroon na siya ng cup and handle. Ito yung sinasabi natin, cup and handle. Ito yung sabi niya kanina eh. Nung nagtanong ng TLM. I think you're correct. If I go on the cup and handle, good job ha, yung nagtanong ha. This is already a cup and handle almost. This one. Tapos, it's forming this one. Parallel here. Yan. Ayan, very good. Yeah. So, kailangan niya ma-break tong line na to, no? Very, very strong. Yung dulo ng baso. Kailangan niya ma-break yan. Very good. Good job. Good question. Okay. Yeah. So, i-zoom out niyo muna in 1 day. So, saka kayo bumaba. Okay. Huwag kayong scalp ng scalp agad kasi limited ang phone. Diba? Alamin niyo muna yung takbo ng chart ninyo. Tapos doon kayo mag-scalp sa loob ng mga channels para safe kayo. Alamin niyo yung mga dulo, yung tuktok tsaka yung baba para pag habang nagsa-scalp kayo, for example, nagsa-scalp kayo naabot na yung 0.64, alam niyo na tataas pa lalo yan. 'Di ba? Okay? So aside from MACD, mag-price action kayo. Okay, you hear my daughter in the background. All right. Okay. Paano pag 1 week time frame? Pag 1 week you're doing swing trading ha. And then setup ng EMA 5 for 3 minutes TF. Yun, tinuro natin kanina yung EMA 5. Uh, okay. Ano pong okay sa scalping? 1 minute or 3 minute? Maliit lang kasi ang capital ko sa trading. Ah, okay. Ang capital po, regardless po yan sa time frame ha. Pwede po kayo mag 3 minutes. Kahit po sa futures, I know it's five Notion dollars, $5 and then first spot it's 10, no? Kahit $10 lang, okay lang po kayo mag-scalping. Wala po siyang related sa ano po, sa what's this? Sa time frame, no? Or sa amount. So kahit po 1,000 pesos lang 'yan or 500 pesos po, which are really good money already, pwede niyo po siyang gamitin for scalping. Gamitin niyo po yung strategy na tinuro natin sa ating mga videos. Pwede niyo pong gamitin 'yon. Pag day Kapag po day trading, anong indicator ang gagamitin at ilan? Yan ang mas madaling basahin para sa aming newbie at sa phone lang ang gamit. Pag day trading po, ang indicator na gagamitin ninyo, kapag kayo nagde-day, okay, define ko muna ha. Ang day trading guys kasi is you're actually buying and selling within hours ha. Okay, para make sure pare-parehas tayo ng iniisip, okay? When you're doing a buying and trading, you will always use a 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour at a minimum. Okay? 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so tuturo ko sa inyo ha. 15 minutes time frame, kunyari nasa phone kayo. Okay, let's go with XRP. It's gonna be our last question, guys. Okay, XRP. Meron naman tayo bukas, don't worry, okay? XRP, USDT. Okay, let's go there. Sa phone kayo, for example, you only have very limited tools. Okay, let's go with XRP. Okay? Ang fees po ng trading natin is 0.1%. So when you earn 3%, you already have earned profits po. Okay? Or 1%, may profit na po yun. Pero of course, maliit lang, no? If you convert it in pesos, malaki na rin yun. Pero yung mga in dollars is like 0.5 cents, no? 25 pesos, right? Ganun po yun. That's what you earn. Pero ang charges po ng buying and selling, maker and taker fee, for futures po, ang average po is 0.055%. Okay? Kapag po trading, buying and selling sa spot, 0.1%. Okay? Para malaman po ninyo yon. Para alam niyo po yung commissions, maker and taker fees. Okay? Okay. So yan, kunyari, gamit nyo to. Mag 15 minutes kayo day trading. Okay? Ito yung phone nyo. Maglabas kayo ng MACD. Okay. Yan, MACD. Yan. Alright, and then put nyo close, tapos kailangan yung candle nyo high kinashi. Okay, yan. Tapos nilagay kayo ng isang EMA lang. Nilagay kayo ng isang EMA. Templates, let's put EMA 9. Sorry, EMA. Let's put dalawang EMA. Okay, EMA 9, tapos close, isang EMA 20. Close din. Lagyan nyo lang ng dalawang yan. Okay, ganyan. Itong laro nyo ha. Okay. 15 minutes po, day trading po, di ba? Dalawa lang ang indicator nyo, MACD tsaka ano, what's this? EMA 20, okay. Ito laro ninyo, okay? Kapag si Emma, tumuro na yan, kunyari, tumuro na pataas, ang gandang pasukin yan. Tumuro na pataas, di ba? Tapos, itong Emma nyo na Emma 20, this blue Emma, is the Emma 9, di ba? Tapos yung Emma 20 nyo, yung mas matandang Emma, yan, Emma 20. Pag na-breakout niya yan, tapos nag-kiss tong dalawan to, diyan kayo papasok for day trading ha. Day trading meaning hours kayo mag-iintay. Okay? Huwag niyo itatanggalin ng few minutes. Sabi niyo, bumaba, talo kayo agad. No. Okay? Yan, gagamitin niyo yun. Every time mag-kiss tong dalawan to at na-breakout niya yung matandang EMA 20, pwede niyong pumasok. Okay? Another example, this one. Nakita niyo to, guys. Nakita niyo tong dalawan to. Sa phone lang gamit nyo ha. Day trading to ha. Okay? Sample natin. Ito nag-kiss, di ba? Nag-kiss itong dalawa. Okay. Tapos itong dalawang to, si Emma 9, galing sa baba, tumagos pataas kay EMA 20. Okay? EMA 20 ha, kasi wala kayong ALMA eh, no? Okay? So, si EMA, yung dalawang EMA, magkapatid na EMA, okay, lakihan natin to ha, makinig kayo mabuti. Okay, yan. Okay. Si Emma, yung darker blue na Emma, siya yung gawin nating si Emma 9 na yellow para makita nyo. Gawin natin, favorite yung color. Yellow, so yung yellow, tapos kapalan natin para makita ninyo. Yan. Okay, yan. Okay. Good. Tapos, okay. Alright. Kita nyo? Nag-crossover siya galing sa ilalim kay Emma 20 sa atin niya. Okay, nag-crossover, di ba? Phone lang to guys ha. Phone lang gamit niya. Crossover. Ayan. Crossover. Nagalikan din tong dalawan to. Okay, look at what happened. 15 minutes ha. Day trading. Day trading hours ha. Hours yan. Hindi yan minutes ha. Okay. Bilang tayo ng isang oras. Okay. Isang candle is 50 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 hour na yan. Okay. Day trading na yan. Okay. Naghalikan na yung dalawa. Pasok ka dito. O, magkano na kinita mo niyan? Magkano na yan? So, ito tayo sa price range from this candle to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. 3.63% in 1 hour. O yan. Yan po gamitin ninyo. Naghahalikan na naman yung dalawa. O. Okay. Pero hindi pa nag-crossover si dilaw kay blue. Diba? So, antayin nyo yung mga ganong strategy. Diba? So, yan po ang day trading ninyo. Teka lang, mag-advance lang ako ng chat para mabasa ko yung mga chat nyo. Okay, walang tatanong ha. Very good ha. Okay? Okay. Alright guys, it's already 5:50. I'm so sorry po no kung iping nyo na lang po ako kung may questions kayo. But guys, I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much no. Thank you very much for all your love and support kay Coach Miranda Miner. Pakibasa po yung ticker sa nababasa nyo dyan sa ilalim. Congratulations sa ating team. We already have 6,500 subscribers in our YouTube page, no? And right now we have an all-time high 161 sa live viewers, no? Dali nyo po sila dito. I could answer real-time questions. Sana po natuto kayo, no? Kasi karamihan sa inyo mga mobile traders, no? Abangan nyo to, i-review nyo itong part na to kasi you could really use the MACD and the EMA combination for phones kung wala kayong ALMA. Okay? Understood, guys? Hashtag Miranda Miner. Thank you. Yun lang po ang aking hihilingin para kung, para po okay naman tayo. And we will always do this every day naman. Okay? So guys, si Daniel, just ping me na lang. I know you're always commenting in my video. So ping me na lang, Daniel. Thank you for your question. Guys, thank you so much. Happy trading to everyone. Okay, make sure you journal your wins. And I will talk to you guys all tomorrow.